in a large bowl, pour 3 cups of flour. Add to the flour 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Finally, to end with our dry ingredients, we are gonna add 1 cup of white sugar. Before we start with the dry ingredients, we're gonna mix a little bit all the dry ones. We're gonna add our wet ingredients. First of all, 1.5 cup of milk. Then we're gonna pour 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then we break 2 eggs into the mixture. Now we're gonna melt 1 bar of butter. And we add it to the butter. Now we mix everything until it's smooth and with no bumps. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Now we're gonna set aside our batter and do our topping. Now in a different bowl, we're gonna do our topping. First of all, we are gonna pour 1 cup of powdered sugar. Then we add cinnamon. You can put whatever cinnamon you want, it's at your choice. Then we add 2 teaspoons of flour. 2 bars of butter, and that will be 1 cup, and we pour it to the mixture. And we mix until combined. Make sure it's gonna look like this. Now it's time to put the batter in the pan. First, we have to spread butter and sprinkle some flour for the batter not to stick. It's gonna look like this, but for more security, we're gonna stick some parchment paper in it. Now we pour the mixture in the pan. Now we're gonna add the topping that we did before slowly, and then we're gonna swirl with a knife to incorporate to the batter. And we slowly swirl. Now we bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, take the cake out of the oven and unmold it. To end, slowly pour the glaze we did before onto the cake. And we finished. Now let's enjoy this delicious cinnamon roll cake.